Hey guys, welcome to another video at Sweevel's Garage. So today is kind of sad and exciting at the same time. I sold my 2011 Ford Raptor that I've had since 2014, I think. So it's been almost 9 years. I get pretty attached to my vehicles, as you can tell why I have so many. But I just kind of wanted to document selling it because all my other trucks I thought I'd miss and I really didn't. But this one I'm for sure gonna miss. I literally wouldn't even have sold it, but it's just starting to rust so bad, and I know when I go to fix it, it would end up like this, where I just put way too much money in it, make it all brand new, perfect, and I just don't want to go down that hill. So the Raptor R is still supposed to show. My salesman says I have the second allocation. They have two. We're just waiting on it. So the first guy ahead of me got his a few weeks ago, and then Ford emailed them and said they're making EcoBoost Raptors again. They made a batch of ours, and then now they're back to EcoBoost, and then the next batch, my truck will show. They promised us before the end of the year, so I don't know what the heck to expect, but at least I have the money now to put down. I didn't even have to list this truck. A buddy's buying it from me, so. But anyways, I just wanted to make a short video about it. We're gonna walk around it, and then at the end, I'll post some pictures of why it's so sentimental to me. My daughter was brought home from the hospital in this truck. I've picked up probably 15, 20 Mustangs with it that I bought, pulled them home. It's just been through a lot. So all the seasons, deer hunting, etc., etc. But we'll go around it. At the end of the video, I'll show some pictures, like what it looked like when I bought it, and everything else. So enjoy the video. Here we go.
Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit from the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, whip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. If you think that I'ma slow down, don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
Alright guys, here it is. I came outside because there's too much noise inside with my daughter. Anyways, it's my 2011 F-150 Raptor. I didn't clean it very good. My buddy looked at it dirty as crap yesterday. I haven't washed it in months. But I did everything. It used to have a Roush blower, so I did Roush everything, and then we upgraded to a Whipple. So if you guys know what you're talking about and wonder why everything's Roush and then it has a Whipple, that is why. And then it has the JDM 700 kit. Me and my brother made a custom sub enclosure that's ported on this side, 15-inch L7, and then I kind of did the opposite of the splashes with blue to color match the truck. And it's also 2011 with this interior because me and my wife literally bought a 2012 Raptor, a white one, for the interior, and then she kept my black interior, but Line X'd it. Has Corsa catback, American Racing headers, and this is all the stuff for the Roush. And that's a custom Roush logo I had made to kind of color match. 20 by 12 Moto Metal Raptor retrofit headlights. They weren't cheap back in the day. Addictive desert design front bumper, color matched the grill, color matched the headlights. But yeah, like I said, the rockers and the cab corners are just completely gone. Even though I took really good care of this truck, this just happens to these old ones. Painted the back to look like a platinum, but the opposite with black. Then I color matched the emblems. Can't really tell in the light, but this is gloss black. That's body color, and then this actually matches the sticker. It's dark blue with metallic in it, so it's really detailed if you get super picky and look at it close. And yeah, so that's just an overview. I'll show you guys the supercharger again. It's a 2.9 Whipple with the JDM 700 flywheel horsepower kit. And then I did the boost gauges, boost and then air fuel over there, which that one sucks because you gotta point that AC at you all the time because you can't turn it anymore. It looks cool, but it's not that functional, I guess. It blows air out of there, but you can't control where at. And then I color matched the Whipple and the valve covers before. It's super dirty though. It looks good when it's clean. Did the American flag in there. Then I did the splatters to match the sub box. Kind of did it a different way on the blower and it turned out different, but it's supposed to look like mud splatters kind of. GT500 Cobra Jet throttle body. Catch can. I don't know if you'll be able to see the headers down there, but American Racing headers. Super loud. If you guys have one of these, you guys know. Try to start with the door open. The one thing with the Corsa is down the interstate you don't hear it at all. So well, there she is. He's supposed to get it this week. So she's down the road after all those years. 35% tin on the windshield, 5% on the sides. Tin in the taillights. It's about everything. I know you local people know all this, but I have a lot of people that watch this out of state. So kind of just came out of the blue. He asked me to buy it. He always said he wanted it, but I didn't know he was serious, and I threw him a price and he got the loan the next day. So there she is. Now here comes the pictures to end the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one, which will be shortly after this Spring Fever car show. I'm currently editing the video, so that'll be out next. So peace. Buddy, what's wrong? What? Me crying. Look at me. You like this truck that much? Baby, stop crying. What? There she goes.